There are amazing things that can happen when just one domino falls in the world we live in. The tiles have been knocked down. Today's video will talk about a series of strange coincidences that point to this month being the end of the court case between the SEC and XRP Ripple. I don't jump to conclusions just because it sounds crazy. You will learn everything and even a little more in this video. Do not miss a single second. Notably, Howard Moon's tweet from November 2, 2022 has sparked a lot of interest in the crypto community, especially since it fits with the date of February 11th. You may be wondering what all the fuss is about. Let's break it down. The Mandible date itself has a meaning. It's 112, which interestingly can also be read as 211 when turned around. Now, in the field of numerology, numbers often have deeper meanings, and the fact that they can be read in two ways adds to their mystery. Some crypto fans think that these kinds of alignments could mean important moments or shifts in the market. It has something to do with XR people, which has been a big deal lately. And people are guessing that the price might change because of these number alignments. Could this alignment be a sign of a big event or change for XRP? That's the big question. More accurately, I should say, the XRP question that has fans excited. It sounds interesting so far, but that's only the start. Let's keep going. Let's learn more about Baba's interesting prediction from February 2022. And he gave hints of a green start that would happen in February. This statement is important because of what green means in the cryptocurrency community. In this case, green usually means that prices are going up, which is similar to how money is growing and things are getting better. Now moving forward to now, the excitement around this prophecy is palpable. Fans and investors alike are keeping a close eye on XRP Ripple, eagerly waiting for signs of this expected surge. And the speculation isn't just based on short-term hopes of making money. It's also based on the chance of a big and long-lasting rise in value. The right time only adds fuel to the fire. People think that February will be a very important month that could start a new trending XR price. A lot of people in the community are talking and analyzing different indicators and chart patterns in order to find proof that Baba was right. Also, Baba's prediction isn't taken lightly, especially when you look at how accurate similar predictions have been in the crypto space in the past. Some people might just think it's a guess, but others see it as a sign of the uncertainty that the cryptocurrency market often faces. And with each day that goes by, the excitement grows, fueled by a mix of cautious optimism and hope. And would this really be the time that people who own XRP have been waiting for? What will happen in February? And will it really be the start to a good year for XRP Ripple? Many people still have these questions, which makes the story even more exciting and suspenseful as it unfolds. Along with the obvious rise in the value of preferred cryptocurrency, these events may also be signs that the legal battle between Ripple and the SEC is about to come to an end. In this video, we'll talk about it. Let's keep going. Here are some more coincidences that could make the world of XRP Ripple different. Let's look at the interesting decodes from Solo 123, which have gotten a lot of attention in the XRP community, especially because they focus on these decodes, which are still a mystery and have led to a lot of speculation, seem to point to possible developments or events that might happen soon. Fans are eagerly looking over every detail, and the excitement around these decodes is palpable. As we turn our attention to the larger XRP community, it's impossible to miss the talk about possible price changes. People who are interested in XRP look at every piece of information from technical analysis to encrypted messages to try to figure out where the coin is going. People are excited about more than just short-term gains. They're also excited about the possibility of a big change in how XRP's price moves. A lot of different theories and interpretations are going around, ranging from historical patterns to numerological alignments. People are looking forward to it with a mix of excitement and curiosity. It seems like the speculation only gets stronger as the days go by, with each new piece of information adding another layer to the story. Will the decodes from XRP Solo 123 turn out to be accurate? Will everyone in the XRP community's collective excitement lead to real price changes? This question still exists, which fuels the community's passion and keeps fans glued to their screens as they wait for the next part of XRP's journey. This is where things get interesting. Now take a look at Howard Moon's, an institutional investor, 2.0's tweets. They talk about important dates like July 1823 in interesting ways, and the 17th of February, and the cryptic messages and symbolic images. These tweets have caused a lot of speculation in the XRP community as fans try to figure out what they mean. Both Howard Moon and Institutional Investor 2.0 have talked about July 18, 2023. This seems to point to a convergence of events. An important event that day because of what they said in their previous tweets and the excitements about XRP's future. This date is very important. It could be a turning point or milestone for XRP Ripple, which could lead to rumors about big changes or announcements in the cryptocurrency space. In addition, the fact that the tweets talk about February 17th adds another layer of mystery. Even though this date isn't as well known as July 18, it may have hidden meanings or be a sign of things to come in the bigger picture that Howard Moon and Institutional Investor 2.0 describe. Fans are closely watching for any possible patterns or correlations that could help them figure out XRP's going in the future. Symbolism is a big part of figuring out what these tweets mean. For example, fireworks and numbers can have deep meanings in the world of cryptocurrency and the financial markets. The fireworks could be a sign of excitement or anticipation about things that are going to happen. Number alignments like 118,217 may point to specific dates or timeframes for what might happen. The overall tone of these tweets adds to the ongoing speculation and excitement in the XRP community, sparking conversations about XRP Ripple's future and possible path. Now, it's still possible to disagree with what they mean exactly, but there are interesting pieces of the puzzle that help us understand XRP's bigger story in the cryptocurrency world. Isn't it true that there are too many signs? It sounds crazy, but we're getting close to something really big. Let's keep going. Let's break down Mr. Poole's message about the end of the transition in February. The mysterious message from Mr. Poole points to the end of a transition process, focusing on the month of February in particular. People who are interested in cryptocurrencies often use these kinds of references to talk about big events or changes in the market. Adding the fact that WSBC is working with Medco Ripple to tokenize gold makes the conversation more interesting. This partnership brings together traditional banks and blockchain technology with the goal of digitizing assets like gold by turning them into tokens. There are many benefits to tokenization, such as more liquidity, fractional ownership, and clearer trading of assets. The importance of this partnership in the bigger story of the end of the transition becomes clear when we think about what it means for XRP Ripple. As a digital asset that can make cross-border transactions easy and connect traditional financial systems, XRP stands to gain from mainstream finance's wider use of blockchain technology. Also, turning gold into tokens is a real-world example of how blockchain technology can be used. It says that blockchain technology has the potential to change not only the cryptocurrency market, but also traditional asset market. As Mr. Poole hinted at, this move towards digitization fits with the overall theme of change, adding to the idea that the financial industry is going through a fundamental change. Poole's message that the transition will end in February, along with HSBC's partnership with Medco Ripple to tokenize gold, show that blockchain technology is still changing and becoming more common